Okay. Good morning once again, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed the concepts of fraction to percentage. Then we have seen the concept of percentage to fraction. In this case, we multiply the fraction by 100 and we put a percentage sign. In this case, we already have a percentage sign. We divide by 100 to find the value. This was the two concepts that we have learned in the starting. One second, some issue with the chat window. Sir, but earlier you told the same thing we have not to do. Okay. No, Himanshi, whatever question you are having, you have to do that. Okay. Don't leave anything. Don't know what is happening with the chat window now. Okay. Then we have seen the concept of price, increase and decrease. So there was a concept of increase and decrease. So your salary, we have seen many examples of this. Suppose your salary is rupees 5,000, it becomes rupees 6,000, and they are asking what is the increase in your salary. Very easy, increase is 1,000 rupees. But they are not happy with that only. They want something else. They want you to tell what is the increase percentage. So to find the increase percentage, you need to first find the increase value. As we have done above, first you need to find the increase value. Every concept is linked. In the starting, whatever we have done, same things will be used over here. In the starting, the difference is they were giving us the whole numbers, they were giving us the fractions, but now we have to make the fraction from our side, nothing else. So you will see how to find percentage increase. Very easy. To find percentage increase, I told you first you make the, what you say, fraction. As in this we have seen, no? Same thing. First make the fraction, and fraction can be made very easily. Increase upon original salary into 100. That's it. So same thing we have done. Whatever we have learned earlier, we are using the same thing. Difference is in the starting, NCRT was giving us the numbers and we were converting it to percentage. Now they are not giving the numbers directly. They want us to find the numbers also and then convert these numbers into percentage. That's it, no difference. Similarly, if there is a decrease, suppose your salary is rupees 6,000 and you are converting, in this case, original value is 5,000 because it is the starting one. Whatever is in the starting is the original thing. Okay. So whenever you have something in the first place and you are making something at the second place, this is your original value. Just keep this thing in mind. Similarly, if there is a decrease in salary, starting it was 6,000 rupees and now it is 5,000 rupees, and you want to find decrease percentage. Again, to find percentage, first you need to have a fraction. How to make that fraction? We have to think. First, we will find the decrease. The decrease is rupees 1,000, and the decrease percentage will be given by, very simple, decrease value upon original value to 100. Very simple. Sorry. My mistake. No, it is fine. Sorry. Okay. Correct. Because we have to find the percentage, we have to multiply by 100 only. In this case, the original value is how much? In this case, the original value is 6,000 because it is in the starting. These are the original value. Same concept we are applying everywhere. If you use formulas, it will be directly done. If you don't use formula, still you can solve every question by the simple concept that we have learned in the start. Okay, nothing else is there. Only one issue is there today, that the chat window is hiding again and again, so I'm not able to read the chats. Okay, Lavya is saying, sir, we will find the decrease and put in the formula. Very good, beta. So please repeat increase. Abhas, you have to understand two things: increase in value, increase by percentage. So first we have found the increase by value is 1,000 rupees, but the question was to find percentage increase. For that you will write increase value upon original value. This is the fraction. And we all know how to convert fraction into percentage. Multiply by 100. That's it. Similarly, Lavya, the original value is your base. Yes, you can say the original value is the base value. The value that you are taking as base, the starting point. Okay. That is why in the questions of CP and SP also, we were taking in the questions of CP and SP also, we were taking cost price always as the base. Until and unless the question is specifying, we have to take the base as cost price only. Okay. Now let's come to the concept of CPSP, because I know it is new for you. That's why you're finding it difficult. It is very simple. They all are interlinked. Okay. Okay. Ekta also found the answer. She is saying it is 20% increase. Ekta, okay, it is correct because 1000 upon 5000 is 1 upon 5, and 5, oh sorry, 100 upon 5 is 20%. Good, Ekta. Now let us see the concept of CPSP and that profit loss. So in that we have seen there are two formulas mainly. The first one was profit is equal to SP minus CP, because obviously SP is more than CP if it is a profit. And in the next case, we have loss equal to CP minus SP when CP is more than SP. These were the two cases that we have learned in the last class. But many of you had doubts. Sir, I have some network issue. If I leave the meeting, please upload the video. Alan, don't worry, it will be uploaded, but try to understand here also so that it is a two times revision for you. It is always better to see the lecture first and then see the recording again. Now, class, tell me one thing. In these two formulas, are these three values or are these three percentage? Please tell me, in these two formulas, profit and loss that I have written, is it profit value or profit percentage? These are values because I have told you, you cannot add unlike terms. If SP and CP are in rupees, you have to understand this thing. If SP and CP are in rupees, profit cannot be in percentage. If SP is 5000 rupees, CP is 6000 rupees, the profit or loss will also be in rupees only. It cannot be in percentage because such equation never exists. You cannot equate two things which are unlike. On one side you have percentage, on other side you have value. That is wrong. Either you have both side percentage or you have both side value. Just keep this thing in mind. And with that, we will start some questions again today and try to understand. Okay, Kritika is giving us some formulas. Good. So just keep this thing in mind. In the equation, either it should have both side percentage or it should have both side value. That's it. Then only you can solve the equation. Now, one more thing. If you observe in both the equations, we have three variables. Class, if you observe in both the equations, we have three variables: CP, SP, profit or loss. So all the time we have only three variables. What the question will do? What the question will do, they will give you two things. All the time they will give you two things. Either they will give you CPSP and ask profit or loss. Either they will give you profit and SP, they will ask CP. Either they will give you CP and profit, they will ask SP. So this way. So that is the reason we learned how to convert kg into gram. Very good, beta. Bani, this was the reason. Very good. So what we do is we try to make the whole equation in simple one, what you say, variable, what do you say, one unit, so that they can be solved easily. Sir, what is CP and SP? Arnav Mahajan. Okay. Arnav, CP and SP we have seen in the last class also. You had 2 days of what do you say, holiday. You should have watched the video again. No, this is wrong that you are doing. Actually, CP is the price at which we purchase something. Suppose I am a seller, I am a shopkeeper owner, and I am purchasing suppose laptop. I am purchasing a laptop from a factory at rupees 20,000 rupees, and I am selling it to you at 24,000. So the CP is 20,000 at which I have purchased, and SP is 24,000 at which I am selling you this product. So now Arnav, you can understand, if SP is more 24,000 than CP, which was 20,000, obviously it is a profit of 4,000 rupees to me. Okay, so this is the thing. Now, if you have purchased at 24,000 and you are selling on OLX after 1 year for 15,000, Arnav, try to understand. It is a referential thing. For me, CP was 20,000, SP was 24,000. For you, Arnav, for you, what is CP? Arnav, for you, what is CP? If I have sold you this laptop for 24,000, what is CP for you? Please tell me. I sold the laptop to you at 24,000. What is CP for you? Yes, for me it was SP and for you it is CP. So you need to understand these kind of things. For a person, it is a person. Whatever I am purchasing, that is CP for me. Whatever I am selling, that is SP for me. That's it. Okay. Now let's see some examples. I will try to make a video for this exercise only because it is very long and telling each question in the class will not be easy. So let us take example number one. Sorry, question number one of 8.3 exercise 8.3 question number one. It is saying, tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. So if you understand, they're asking profit or loss, no percentage they are saying. If percentage word is not written over there, you have to understand it is profit or loss value. Okay. Now, also find percentage profit and percentage loss. So first you need to find the values and then you have to find the percentages. So let us see some examples. First one, let's take gardening shares. Gardening shares bought for rupees 250. So class, what is the CP? If gardening shares are bought for rupees 250, what is the CP and what is the SP? And sold for rupees 325. Very simple. 250 is the cost price. Yes. So the cost price is given by rupees 250 and they are selling this gardening shares for rupees 325. So it is the SP. Now we can easily find the profit. Plus, first we have to see which one is larger. We will say as SP is more than CP, therefore profit, and profit is given by SP minus CP. So profit value equal to how much? 325 minus 250, and the answer is, please answer class, it is rupees 75. Obviously it is not percentage, it is rupees only. When you have taken rupees of SP and CP, obviously you will get profit also in rupees, and this is the value of profit. And to find the percentage, I have told you, to find the percentage profit, see, we use formulas to make things easy, but if you don't know the formula, at that time also you can use the concept. We have seen what is percentage profit. Very simple. Profit value upon what? Original value. What was the original value? CP into 100%. Simple. So profit is how much? 75 rupees. Cost price is 250 multiplied with 100. Also we have seen in the starting, this is a fraction. Multiply with 100, we will get the answer in percentage. Now divide it. 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. Okay, we can do one more thing. Cut the zero like this. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. So answer is 30% profit. So class, I hope. So always we take CP as original or base value. Yes, beta. Until and unless in the question they specify, you have to take cost price as the original or base value. That's it. So class, I hope you are able to understand how we found the value of profit, and from that how we found the profit percentage. Any issue in this? Please ask. Any issue in this thing? How we found the profit value and how we found the profit percentage? No. Very good. Similarly, you can do the remaining three parts. Let me take one more part for you for the loss one also. We can take the D part. There is a loss in the D part. Sir, your voice is not clear. Others, please confirm. Ashmit is saying my voice is not clear. No, Rishi, it is not difficult. Don't worry. It is not difficult. We just need to solve some questions on this. It will be very easy. Ashmit, they all are saying my voice is perfect and you have to check better. Some connection issue at your side. Okay, now let's take a case of loss. The D part. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So very simple. This time the cost price is more, rupees 250, because you are purchasing the skirt at this price and you are selling it for rupees 150. So it is a loss. So we will write as CP is more than SP, therefore loss. Now comes the question. We have to find the loss value. Let's find the loss value. Very simple. Loss is given by CP minus SP. Let's put the value. That is 250 minus 150, and that is 100 rupees loss. There is a loss of 100 rupees. And to find the percentage, same concept. Loss percentage. From value, we want to find percentage. You will multiply by 100. Very simple. And for that, we want a fraction. Fraction will be obtained by loss upon CP into 100%. Also put that sign. So loss is 100. CP is 250 into 100. Cut the zeros, which are easily cuttable. After that, 5 fives are 5 20s are 5 ones are 5 fours are. So there is a 40% loss. We have found the answer in percentage also. Rishi, I hope you are able to understand this. Who's this? 1 second. Kritika, sir, CP is 12,000 profit. But I will take, don't worry. Easy peasy by Ekta. Okay. Okay. So question number one is done. Simply, yes, there is a 40% loss. Now let's take question number two. The more you try the questions, the more it will be easy for you to understand the concepts. Okay. Don't worry for this. Let us take now question number two. Let's take question number two. Okay. Hardik Arora. Sir, how 5 and 20 came, Lavya? Lavya, actually, when you solve na on your own in your copy, it will be very easy for you. Let me show you how 520 came. We just divided it, nothing else. 100 by 250 into 100. My first preference is to cut the zeros. I have cut like this. 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100, 22s are 40. It is simply simplification. No? You can do it on your own also. Okay, don't worry for this. Simplification part can be varying also. Chat window. Now it is not coming at all. Sir, I've already done the exercise by myself. Very good, Dani. Okay. Now, let's say question number two. Kritika, I will come to that question also, but actually we have to go step by step. In this case, we have to convert the ratio into percentage. Let us take the B part. The B part is saying 2 is to 3 is to 5. This kind of ratio is given to you and you want to find the percentage. What will you do? आभास हसीजा मिस्टर आभास तो यहाँ पर है नहीं व्हाई ही इज कॉलिंग मी okay so class tell me first thing one thing and this thing 2 is to 3 is to 5 is there what should we do first to find the answer to find the percentage first we'll find the whole quantity yes very good suppose you can understand suppose this is the what you say partnership ratio. Suppose there are three partners in a company, they have a ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5 in the company. So how much profit they will get or how they will share the profit? To find the percentage, we have to find the whole first. So the whole or total will be given by 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 10. So the first fraction you can say first will be 2 upon 10 into 100%, that is 0 will cancel 20%. Second will be 3 upon 10 into 100%, 30%. And the third one will be 5 upon 10 into 100, that is 50%. So in these questions, we had the idea of finding the total first, that is the total thing, and then we have easily found the percentage. The remaining parts are very easy of this question. You can try on your own. Let's take question number 3. I think question number 3 is also not that tough. We have done similar question. You can try question number 3 today on your own. If you have doubt, we can try again tomorrow. We will try question number 4 based on CP and S2. Question number 4. So why percentage sign after 100? But actually when you multiply by 100, the answer should be in percentage. That is why we put that sign also. Okay. To make us, what you say, understand that we have converted this thing into percentage like that. Okay. Whenever you are multiplying with 100 from your side, you have to put percentage sign. So what I wrote was answer question 1B part. Okay. So please explain question number 2 again. Okay. In question number 2, Saishi, we had this ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5, and we had to convert each part of this ratio into percentage. There are three parts. Saishi, if you observe, this is the first part, second part, and third part. Okay. To convert these into percentage, we first need to understand what is the total quantity. So to find the total quantity, what I did, I just added 2, 3, and 5. After adding 2, 3, and 5, I got 10 as the total. So if you have the total, if you have the obtained quantity, can't you find percentage? It is simply like your examination. You have got 30 out of 35, then you multiply by 100 and it becomes percentage. Simple. Here also, total is 10, value is 2. So 2 by 10. 2 by 10 into 100 is the percentage value. Similarly, 3 by 10 is the fraction into 100 is the percentage value. 5 by 10 is the fraction into 100 is the percentage value. I hope it is clear now, Saishi. Okay. So in the question, we will take 10 as the base value. Yes, beta. 10 is the total value. Like that you do in examination. Marks obtained upon, or what do you say, maximum marks into 100. That way. The host is not allowing participants to unmute themselves. Yes, Abbas, I have not allowed anyone to unmute themselves. What is the problem with that? Do you have any issue? Now, question number 4. Time is less. Let us take this question. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. So obviously it is the cost price. So cost price is rupees 3,50,000. Then we have, okay, next year the price went up to 3,70,000. Okay, so the next year it went up to 3,70,000. So it is not a question of CPSP. It is simple question of increase decrease. So you can say first year the price is this much, and second year the price becomes rupees 3,70,000. That's it. So there are 2 years. This base year as 3,00,000 rupees, and second year the price increases. Now, what is the percentage increase? We have to find percentage increase. Class, tell me, to find percentage increase, what we need to know first. To find the percentage increase, first we need to understand what is the increase, actual increase in rupees. Yes. So first we find the increase. Increase is given by second year price, second year price minus first year price. You can write this thing again. Put the values 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000, and that is equal to rupees 20,000. So this is the increase in value, but the question is asking increase in percentage. So that is very simple. To find increase percentage, first we need to have the fraction. That is very simple. What is the fraction? Increase upon original. And whenever we want to find the percentage, what do? We multiply the fraction by 100. That's it. Just put the value. Increase is 20,000. Original value is 3,50,000. Multiply with 100. Cut the zeros. Four zeros. Four zeros. Finished. Now we have 2 upon 35 into 100. I think we can cut this thing. 5 sevens are 5 twenties are. Now we cannot cut them further. So let us multiply these two. We will get 40 upon 7%. Or if you want to find in points or decimals, you can say the answer will be 7,535.50 will be there. 7 sevens are 49. So there is a increase of 5.7 percentage. Okay. Yes, Tushita, good beta. 5.7 percentage is the increase in the value. And I think it is clear to everyone. Yes, class. I think we can take one more question. If you allow, we can take one more question. Question number 6, in which she had doubt. Let us take that question also. Question of 5 is very easy. 5 is simple. In the 5 one, we have uh, TV profit. Okay, let's take 5 also. It will be helpful for you to understand the concept. In question number 5, let us see what do we have. Bunny bus, it will take 3 minutes, don't worry. Question number 5, I buy a TV for rupees 10,000. I buy a TV. So that means it is a cost price for me. है ना? So the cost price is rupees 10,000. Then they are saying uh, and sell it at a profit of 20%. So given to me is profit percentage. Profit percent is given to me as 20%. Profit value given नहीं है. Profit percentage given है मुझे. So what was the price? How much money do I get for it? Okay. So we have to find the selling price. Class, please tell me, are you able to understand the question? They are saying, I buy a TV for 10,000 and by selling it, I am getting a profit of 20%. So what money I am getting back? Obviously, the money I am getting back is my selling price. So cost price also known as selling price. No, 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 Rabia. No, not that. Whatever you buy is cost price for you. Whatever you are selling at money, that will be your selling price. That's it. Nothing else. You have purchased this TV for 10,000 rupees. So ये आपका CP हुआ and you are selling it for some price that is your SP. That's it. Now the thing is, we know the formula for SP is very simple. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So class, can I say 20 is equal to SP minus 10,000? Is it correct to write like this? Please answer. Class, please answer. If I write like this, if I put the value of profit as 20, is this correct? No, it is not correct because I told you in the starting only the formula is of value. Formula cannot have percentage. So first we need to find the value of what? Please tell. First we need to find the value of what? Please tell. First we need to find the value of no. Before finding SP we need to find something else. Yes, we need to find the value of profit. How much profit we have got? Yes. So first we need to find the value of profit. Very simple. And we know from percentage how to convert into value. We all know. We have to divide by 100. Very simple. So profit value is given by profit percentage. Whenever we have percentage in the starting, we divide by 100. So profit by 100 and multiply with maximum marks or original thing, whatever we have done till now, we'll do that only. And what is the original thing in this case? Cost price. So we can find the profit value by this. Percentage is 20 upon 100 multiplied with cost price, that is 10,000. And you can see now I'm not putting the percentage sign. Okay, you can see now I'm not putting the percentage sign because it is a value. Okay, so now solve it. 0 0 will cancel this thing and you have 20 into this thing. 2,000 rupees is your profit value. Class, are you able to understand this thing? Class, Are you able to understand how we got this 2000 rupees? Class, please answer. No, Arnav, when SP is to be found, no need to take X because the first thing is CP. अगर CP नहीं है हमारे पास तभी हम X लेते हैं क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग हमको CP से करनी है. अगर CP ही नहीं है तो how will you start? That is why we have to take it as X. In this case, SP तो second product है, वो तो easily मिल जाएगा. No need to suppose SP. Okay, so we have got 2000 rupees as the profit. Put in the formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. We want the SP value. SP is equal to profit plus SP. Sorry, plus CP. Put the value 2000 plus 10,000 is equal to SP, and SP is 12,000 rupees. And with this, I stop the recording, and you all can switch on your video.